Sorry about that, guys. I lost a connection here at the Wi-Fi location. So anyway, I'm back. I just want to show you guys this sales page. It's pretty powerful. If you take a look, this is a nice sales page. Very captivating. Your simple proven blueprint to predictable cash flow. I think this is really nice. There's also a video right here that kind of talks about how you can get money while you're sleeping. 1:39 a.m. a Fearless Momma buyer came in, so he talks about that. It's a 4-minute video. It's just showing proof, okay, that the system is working while you're sleeping. Okay, there's 3 simple steps that you take to complete this system. Okay, you're gonna get lead flow, you get ad swipes. This is pretty powerful little system, guys. It's a lot of detail. I like this page. I think it's very high converting. So it really takes 3 steps to get started with this. 100% commissions. Again, there is no admin, just $250. Okay. They're using Stripe. You can use Stripe, and it's free to get Stripe, or you can use Authorize.net at this time. Okay. So you get your payments directly to you. Okay, I'm just kind of thumbing through this so you can kind of see there's 7 modules of training. So that's the product. You're getting all this training and different secrets, different marketing strategies. Okay, there's module 1, module 2. I like that it's actual live like hangouts that they did on the Mastermind training. And again, this is every Monday. Once you get aboard of this right here program, okay, once you get started, you're going to be invited as well so that you can attend the Monday Mastermind trainings, okay? So picking up these nuggets is very important, okay? So module 4, module 5, module 6, module 7, and there's some bonuses in here too, guys. See, bonus 1, bonus 2, bonus 3, bonus 4, bonus 5. Okay, and you just keep coming down. There's a frequently asked questions section, so make sure you take a look at that first. If you have questions after that, feel free to reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer those questions for you. Okay, it's a nice sales page. Make sure you go all the way down. Make sure you're on my page. It tells you right here your Fearless referral. Okay, make sure that name is there. Okay, so you'll have a personalized page like that as well. But I think this is a very nice page. Not to mention the capture page is great. I've had some delays with my my traffic, so once it starts back flowing, I'm going to come back and show you guys how that's going as well. But what I want to show you real quick while I've been sitting here recording, okay. Guess what? Another $100 payment has come through. See if you can see that. Another $100 have come through for copy and paste ads. Let me show you. Hold on. Copy and paste ads. You see that $100 down there? PayPal. Okay. So that's autopilot. It shows one of my videos is uploaded. You see that? So does this work? Yes, it does. While I'm sitting here doing a video for the Fearless Momma, a $100 payment has come through from copy and paste ads. See, this is what I'm talking about. Autopilot income. Let me show you how I'm doing that. I'm willing to bet once I go check it, it's from that solo ad or an ad I place, and I can track it because I have a tracking link, okay, for every marketing strategy that I do. Okay. So anyway, guys, with that being said, that's all I've got for you today. I just want to come back and show you that and how I'm just going to use it for all my my business opportunities, and you can do the same. If you don't have a business opportunity, you're looking for a way to make money online and to get training, okay, if you really want to learn how to do this thing, go ahead and join me in the Fearless Momma. Get started today. It's only $250, no admin fee. Everything is pretty much autopilot set up for you instantly, guys. You don't have to worry about linking a capture page or picking which one you should choose, any of that. It's set up for you automatically, okay? So go to my link, okay, www.thefearlessacademy, www.thefearlessacademy.com, okay, and get started today. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like the video and click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload new videos, okay? Alright guys, that's all I've got. You guys have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the inside.